I recently visited a popular tourist spot and captured some amazing videos, but when I looked at the footage later, I realized it was way too crowded. There were people everywhere, and honestly, that's not something I'd want to post on social media. Now I could spend hours manually removing every unwanted person using heavy editing software, but that takes a lot of time, effort, and editing skills. And let's be honest, most of us don't have time for that. So I started looking for a faster solution, and that's when I found Vmake Labs. With just a few clicks, it can remove unwanted people, objects, watermarks, subtitles, and even enhance your videos and images using AI. The best part is it works on both mobile and PC. It's simple, lightweight, and super easy to use. You've already seen the result, so now let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Vmake Labs, then simply click on the first website. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which has a clean, user-friendly interface. Right from the homepage, you'll find all the AI tools, creative templates, sample results, and even the AI Avatar Studio. Vmake Labs offers a wide range of features. You can remove objects from videos and images, enhance video quality, translate videos, generate AI avatar videos, and much more, all in one platform. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the video and image remover. So simply click on that option. Here, you'll see both the remover and enhancement tools. If you click on more tools, you'll also find the AI agent, which lets you chat directly with Vmake's AI assistant. It's a really useful advanced feature worth checking out. Now, head over to the video section. To remove unwanted people from a video, simply click Upload. You can either upload a file from your device or import it using a link. I've already uploaded my video, and as you can see, it's ready to edit. Once the video is uploaded, you'll see several editing options. The Smart tool can automatically remove logos, text, watermarks, and other unwanted elements. If your video has subtitles, you can remove those as well. In my case, I want to remove the unwanted people from the video, so I'll select the people option and click Paste By. Let me quickly play the original clip so you can see what it looked like before. As you can see, there are quite a few people in the frame, which takes away from the overall look of the shot. I want a much cleaner result, so I'll simply click Apply. As you can see, the processing is currently in progress. Let me show you the final result. And now, the processing is complete. Let me show you the final result. As you can see, all the unwanted people have been removed and the video looks much cleaner and more professional. It's now ready to share on social media or use anywhere you want. You also get a press and hold option at the bottom, which lets you instantly compare the original video with the AI-generated result. It's a great way to see the difference side by side. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the download button. With just one click, your edited video will be exported and saved to your device, and that's it. Our project has been successfully downloaded and is ready to use. Now let's try the same process on another video. The steps are exactly the same. Simply upload your video, and within a few seconds, it'll be ready for editing. Let me quickly play the original clip first.
Hey boy, bring that heat up in this cold place. That ain't all the good ways. Gear me up, boy, take me to the moonlight.
As you can see, this one is also quite crowded. Now I'll simply click Apply, and let's see how well the AI handles this one. And now the processing is complete. Let me show you the before and after comparison. As you can see, the result is seriously impressive. The AI has done an excellent job of removing the unwanted people while keeping the scene looking completely natural. What's even better is that the video quality remains virtually unchanged, so you get a clean, professional-looking result without sacrificing any detail. Now let's try the same process with an image and see how it performs. I'll simply upload my image, and once it's ready, I'll use the same people removal feature, select the passersby, and click Apply. And there we go, the processing is complete. Let's check out the result. As you can see, the result looks fantastic. The unwanted people have been removed cleanly, while the image still looks completely natural. The quality is preserved really well, making the final output look polished and professional. After testing it on both videos and images, I can honestly say I was genuinely impressed with Vmake Labs. It's fast, easy to use, and delivers excellent results with just a few clicks. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've included all the useful links in the description below. The pricing is also quite affordable, so it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.